nka dirisa eng? Nka dirisa taxi. Du 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 tsaya leeto ke tswa mo toropong ya Francistown ke ya ko toropong ya Gaborone. Nka dirisa taxi. Mme taxi nka kgona go e duela kana taxi ya go tura. Ke dirise gongwe ga nka dirisa taxi e nngwe. Nka dirisa taxi e nngwe go tsamaya leeto le le kana ke tswa mo Francistown ke ya Gaborone. Taxi di a tshwana fela, di a go duela madi a tshwana. A kere nka dirisa sefofane. Nka dirisa sefofane mme kane gore nka duela sefofane go tswa mo Francistown ke ya Gaborone. Ke a go dirisa base ke a go dirisa terena.
Baby fish, he goes in, baby fish, he is dancing, baby fish is dancing. In the water he is swimming away, in the water he is swimming away, baby fish, in the water he is hiding, baby fish is dancing, dancing. Mommy fish is calling, mommy fish looking. Parents fish found him, in the water. Baby fish is dancing, in the water they are jumping, daddy fish, mommy fish.
Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to talk about Setswana food. Tsatsi jeno re tsile go bua ka dijo tsa setso tsa Setswana. Number 1 traditional food in Botswana is palichi or pap. That is maize meal. And then we have nama, meat. Could be chicken, goat, lamb, beef. People would love pani, which are mopani worms. Oh yeah, before I forget, something that people also eat is bogobe jamabele, which is sorghum meal. Okay, I think I've covered every kind of basic food that you find everywhere in Botswana. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Goodbye.
Mwana wa chapi,
Wara but wara but wara wara happy wara 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 j wara j wara wara
hape o wara o wara 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 hape wara 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 water, eh. These are the alphabets. These are the alphabets. These are the alphabets in Setswana. These are the alphabets in Setswana. These are the alphabets in Setswana. A, B, D, E, F, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, R, S, T, K, K, T, U, W, yeah. Re ithuta ditlhaka tsa Setswana. Re ithuta ditlhaka tsa Setswana. Re ithuta ditlhaka tsa Setswana. A, B, D, E, F, H, I, J, K, L, bobedi boraro bone botlhano borataro bosupa boroba bobedi boroba bongwe lesome lesome le bongwe lesome le bobedi lesome le boraro lesome le bone lesome le botlhano lesome le borataro lesome le bosupa lesome le boroba bobedi lesome le boroba bongwe masome a mabedi le bongwe masome a mabedi le bobedi masome a mabedi le boraro masome a mabedi le bone masome a mabedi le botlhano masome a mabedi le borataro masome a mabedi le bosupa masome a mabedi le boroba bobedi bongwe masome a mararo masome a mararo le bongwe masome a mararo le bobedi masome a mararo le boraro masome a mararo le bone masome a mararo le botlhano masome a mararo le borataro bosupa masome a mararo le boroba bobedi masome a mararo le boroba bongwe masome a mane le bongwe masome a mane le bobedi masome a mane le boraro masome a mane le botlhano masome a mane le borataro masome a mane le bosupa masome a mane le boroba bobedi masome a bongwe masome a matlhano. Tatamogolo Pule o na le moraka mo morakeng wa gagwe go na le dikolobe kolobe kwa kolobe fa go mo Tatamogolo Pule o na le moraka mo morakeng wa gagwe go na le dikoko koko kwa, koko fa, gongwe le gongwe koko. Kokorokoro! Tatamogolo Pule, o na le moraka. Mo morakeng wa gagwe, go na le dipudi. Pudi kwa, pudi fa, gongwe le gongwe pudi. Tatamogolo Pule, o na le moraka. Mo morakeng wa gagwe, go na le dinku. Nku kwa, nku fa, gongwe le gongwe nku. Tatamogolo Pule, o na le diphologolo. Tatamogolo Pule, o na le diphologolo. Phologolo kwa, phologolo fa, phologolo gongwe le gongwe. Tatamogolo Pule, o na le moraka. Mo morakeng wa gagwe, go na le diphologolo. Phologolo fa, phologolo kwa, phologolo gongwe le gongwe. Dumela, tsatsi jano re tsile go ithuta pina. Kgarametsa mokoro wa gago. Kgarametsa mokoro wa gago. Ka metsetsa leko sentle mo molatswaneng. Sentle, 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 botshelo ke ditoro. Kgarametsa mokoro wa gago. Sentle, 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 sentle mo molatswaneng. Fa o bona kwena o gopole go gola. Okay, now let's try it in English. Let's see if it works. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Okay, you got it. Please sing it over again until you get it. I'll see you next time. Bye. Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. So, on our Setswana group, somebody posted this question. And it's one of those questions that you don't think of unless somebody asks, especially as a native speaker, because everything seems natural to you. But when somebody's learning your language, they see a lot of things that might confuse or might be interesting. So somebody asked, like, what does tlaga tlaga mean? And I'm assuming that they might have overheard somebody says that, or maybe somebody was saying that in a hurry and they didn't understand, like, yo, what does that mean? So today I have thought of so many things that can mean. This is Setswana from Botswana, so it might mean even more or less in South Africa or Namibia, depending on where you're learning Setswana from or in. So the word tlaga, at first, tlaga. It's used pretty much every day. For first we have tlaga, which means grass. I'm gonna go with that. Tlaga, grass, and tlaga. I'm gonna try also and pay attention to my tone, because, like I said, as a native speaker, it's the things that I don't think about. But there's a little bit of a tonal differences here and there. If you can pick it up, that will help you a lot. Tlaga is like it's like come out or escape. Like for, let's say, a goat. It's like the goats are escaping from their crawl or their confinement. Tlaga. Then we have tlaga. Swarang ka tlaga, which is like English. Just like work hard but also smart, something like that. Maybe I'll leave a description down below to know to like further explain it so you can understand. We have tlhaga, grass, and then we have tlhaga or tlhaga, which is escape, tlhaga, which is which is like diligently. So and then we have what, and then somebody will say dirang ka matlhaga, which is like, you know, do it quickly, diligently, if that makes sense. It's really difficult for me to explain now as I think about it, but that's basically that. Let me see. And then is there an animal called tlhaga again? I feel like then that'll be complicated, but that's what I can come up with. I do hope it's not making you even more confused. Let me go back again, and this is the last time. Tlhaga, that's for grass. Tlhaga, that is for escape. Tlhaga, which is tlakwan, come here. Nafa, boela ko morago, go back. Ema gone foo, stop there or stop right there. Nna fa fatshe, sit down. Ema ka dinao, stand on your feet. Didimala, be quiet or shut up. Buela, tshwara bolo, hold the ball. Tima le bone. Tuba le bone. Turn on the light. Go fitlha re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Salang sentle. Ke lebogela thotloetso ya lona. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that. Until we meet again next time. Please go ahead and do that. Until we meet again next time. Dumelang. Welcome back to Setswana class. Ngwaga o mošwa. Happy New Year. Today we are going to learn 5 most important phrases that you should know when you are going to speak Setswana. We are going to learn these phrases. You don't know official stuff, a group of people, you just say Dumelang. Le tsogile jang? Le tsogile jang simply means how are you, or direct translation, how did you wake up? Le tsogile jang. So this is what you say when you are being formal with whoever you're talking to. Le tsogile jang. I feel like I should add that whenever you are addressing elderly people in Botswana, you address them as if you are talking to 2 or more people. So I'm going to remind you that whenever you are addressing somebody older than you, depending on your relationship,
You don't necessarily have to ask them how do they wake up at home. So keep that in mind. It will save you lots of embarrassment. The number five phrase. The number five phrase you're going to learn is badumele. Badumele. Badumele is when you are sending greetings to whoever you're talking to. So you're just gonna say hi to your also say hello to your family. It's a formal way of sending greetings to. Now we are going to learn these phrases in their informal way. So number one is dumela. Dumela. Or you can even take it further and say eta. Further and say eta. Or some would even say ola. So eta, ola, dumela, these are like informal way of greeting people. These are like your age mates, your colleagues that you know personally, your friends. So keep that in mind. Hojwang. Hojwang is how are you? How is it? This is another informal way of asking somebody's wellness. Hojwanda. Hojwang. Shapofel. Shapofela is the informal way. Shapo, you notice an English word. So, ke shapofel. That's how you would say to your age mate. But you don't have to say shapo for somebody older than you or when you are like in an official meeting. Greetings to your family through your friend, like, yeah, just check on them, right? So, yeah, we've come to the end of our class. Thank you so much for watching this. Once again, Happy New Year. Ngwaga o mošwa. Go fitlha le kopana mo nakong e tlang. Dumelang. Welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to 10 most important words in Setswana. Dumela. Dumela. Hello. Re. Re. Mister. Ma. Ma. Miss or Mrs. A. Yes. Nyai. Nyai. No. Tswe tswe. Tswe tswe.
Dumela, welcome back. Today we'll be learning vocabulary of things you can find in your home. I hope you enjoy. Tafole. Tafole.